How to fix Facebook identity confirmation failed. In today's video, guys, we will talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first, guys, you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, open apps option. Here on apps option, you have to search for Facebook. Open then Facebook like this. Now scroll down and click on storage. Here on storage, guys, go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back and click on force stop, click OK. And now what you should do, you have to go and restart your phone. After restarting your phone, your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.